Hi guys. As you've probably noticed as you've been working with Robot C, when you've run a program like the one I've got up right here, which was the challenge bump switch, you probably noticed that when you run the program, it only runs once on your Cortex, and then you have to turn off the Cortex and turn it back on to get it to run a second time. As we go forward in class, we're going to want to make sure that our programs run multiple times on a robot without having to shut down the Cortex, turn it back on, or reload the program back onto the Cortex. And in order to do that, we're going to use what's called a while loop. And so today we're going to talk a little bit about what a while loop is and how to program with one. So I'm just going to use this challenge bump switch as my example, and you'll be completing your own example in class using a while loop. But it's pretty simple. Basically, we have our program already written here, and what we want is to tell the program that I want you to run this section of program over and over and over again until I tell you to stop or forever. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to our first curly brace right here, and we're going to go ahead and type while. And you'll notice it'll pop up in blue because the computer recognizes what that term while means. Now we want to make sure that we run all of this program all the time forever. That's our idea, right? So that we don't have to turn off the Cortex and turn it back on. So we need to tell the computer, yes, we want to run it forever, and we're going to do that by putting in what's known as a true statement after while. So we have while parentheses 1 equals 1 close parentheses. And what this 1 equals 1 means is that as long as 1 is equal to 1, which it always is, the computer is going to run this program that you see below. So while 1 equals 1, it's going to run the program. So we're going to go down to the next line, and we need to tell it exactly what part of the program we want it to run over and over and over again. So in order to do that, we have to put in another set of curly braces. So we're going to go ahead and put in one curly brace there, go all the way down to the bottom of the program, and you're going to put in a second set of curly braces right there. So as you can see here, here's my first set of curly braces, which includes the while statement. So there's brace 1 and brace 2. And this while statement is saying that while 1 is equal to 1, which is all the time, the program is going to run what's coded in the second set of curly braces. So it's pretty simple to do. It's not a real difficult skill, but it is a good one to know. And so in class, you're going to be making your own program today with a couple of different requirements, one of which is including a while loop. If you need any help, please talk to me in class.